I'm eating cereal. Cereal. I'm eating cereal because I feel like it. I don't want no waffles, no pancakes, no bacon. The cereal like a good boy. But I can't play with toys. I'm gonna eat my hair. Cereal. Cereal. It will make you healthy. It will give you strong bones. Cereal. 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 Eat that cereal. 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 Eat that cereal. Eat that cereal. If you don't, you will paralyze. I'm telling you this so you can realize that I'm not playing, that I'm just saying. Eat the cereal. You look your face. One eye. Close your face. Cereal. 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 Eat that cereal like I said. Yeah, you be strong like me. See the muscles? Bye bye.